Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. As you can see from today's title that I'm going to talk about how to use automatic, washing machines. Now I basically do makeup videos and review about makeup product, but then today while while cooking, and that is before washing my clothes, I suddenly thought about that the fact that when I first started using automatic washing machines, I was not very much aware of how to use this. So I thought of making a video like this, which I think will be of great help. So yeah, keep on watching. First of all, collect all your stuff which you want to wash and keep it in a laundry bag like I have kept. I would recommend you to wash the soft clothes at one time, and then wash the heavy clothes like jeans and bedsheet in the next wash, because if the clothes are like cotton and soft clothes, then they need less time to wash, and if they are heavy, then it needs more time to wash. So wash them separately. The washing machine that I have is by Hyundai. As you can see, it's automatic washing machine. It's 7.2 kgs it can contain. Now, before filling the water and before turning on the machine, be sure that your this water plug, or what do you call that, from which the tunnel from which the water comes in the machine, it is like perfectly perfectly it is kept, it is in perfect place with this pipe. Now be very careful with the electricity, because we are dealing with water and current, and you know that current is water is a very good conductor of current. So do not touch the water when the plug is on, and do not keep the clothes out of the machine before switching off the plug. First of all, as you can see that here regulators are here. The first thing which says is that whether this means that which tub you want to fill the water in. The first tub, which is the bigger tub, this one is the wash tub, okay, and the smaller tub, the second tub, is a spin tub. As you can see over here, this is the spin tub. So if the regulator is switched to this wash tub, it means that the water is going to come to this particular tub. And if I do this thing, which means if the regulator is on the spin tub, it means that water is going to come and fill the spin tub. Initially, for washing, we need this to be turned on to the wash tub, and then we're gonna open it, and you are gonna turn this. Yes, you're gonna turn this on without plugging the electricity. So I just switched it on, and you can see water started filling in. I will be filling it depending on the amount of clothes I want to wash. So today I want to fill it up to this level. I want to fill it up to this level. Be very sure that when you want the water to be filled in the wash tub, this regulator which shows wash and drain, it is not towards the drain. I mean, be very sure that it is pointed to wash, because if it is pointed to drain, then the water is going to drain out from the tub, and yeah, be very sure about that. Each machines will be having some regulators. So the first one is wash tub and spin tub. I have told you about this. Second was is wash timer. So it has got some time. Now you're gonna point it to the amount of time which you think is required to wash your clothes. Second is wash selector. That is, if your clothes are of cotton and very soft, then you want to point it to gentle. If it's like normal, like kurtis and leggings and all, it should be turned to normal. And if it is heavy, like if it has jeans or blankets or bed sheets, it should be pointed to heavy. But I prefer using normal, because heavy, if you're using it, it may ruin the texture of your clothes. And this one is wash or drain. If you want to wash your clothes, that is, if you want the water to be filled to the tub, then this should be pointed to wash. Or if you want to drain out the water, like after washing, it should be pointed towards drain. And the last one is spin timer. So after washing your clothes, when you want to just dry the clothes and you want to drain out the water, you want to use the spin tub, and that time you have to say, like, you have to point to the amount of time you want to spin your clothes. Okay, now the water has been filled up to this particular level. I want it to be up to that level, so I have just turned that pipe. So now water is not coming. I will be now putting some clothes. I will be putting some clothes now and some detergent. You won't. Oh my God, the alarm is ringing. Yeah, yeah. I think you can hear the alarm. So the alarm is ringing. Alarm is ringing. It means that my the washing has been done, and it's time to take out the clothes from the wash tub and put it in the spin tub. Before putting out the clothes from wash tub to spin tub, do not forget to power off the electricity, because you're not gonna touch the water when the current is still on, because there's a high chance of getting electric shock. And also you can see one thing that I put it, I means before turning on, means before the beginning of the wash, this pointer was towards 30 minutes, and now it is to 0. It means that the wash has been done. So opening the spin tub and it's aside. Yes, so I will be putting the clothes. What is this doing over here? Anyways, I'll be putting the clothes from the, these are very much tangled now. It happens every time. From wash tub to spin tub. Let the water be. Yes, you want to close this and do not turn the current, but switch it from wash tub to spin tub. Close it, do not turn the current, and turn this. It is in the drain mode right now, and you can see that water will be washing the detergent from the clothes. And now water is not filling over here, the water is filling in the spin tub, as you can see, and it is draining. See? Be careful regarding this pipe. Put it in the correct place. So 5 to 10 minutes, when we'll depending upon the amount of clothes, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna turn the electricity, and then on the electricity, I have turned on the electricity, and then you're gonna set the time of the spin. I'm gonna set it to 3, and you will hear the sound of the spin tub. It will start spinning, and all the detergent will be washed out. Now you can see how much detergent is coming, and you will see that the water which is coming out is clear and it doesn't contains in a bubble. It means that the detergent has completely been washed out. You're gonna stop the water supply, and then it's gonna rinse the clothes and bring out all the water. And yeah, you can see now the water which is coming out is clear and it doesn't contain bubbles. It means that the detergent has been washed away from the clothes. It is now time to close this water supply. I'm closing the water supply and let it spin for for the time being. Pointer has come back to 0. It means that the spinning has been done. It's time to switch off the power. So switch off the power and open the spin tub and put out your clothes and keep it in a bucket. I'll be putting out my clothes now, and I will be there's so much keeping in a bucket. And yes, so my cleaning process is done. Taking out the clothes, do not forget to drain out the waste water, that is the dirt water which contains dirt. So I'm gonna switch this back to the wash tub now, and I am gonna set this to drain. Do not need to power off the machine. You can see now the dirt water is coming out. So the water has been drained out completely. Do not forget to drain this the remaining dirt which has come out of the clothes. It's very important to keep your washing machine clean. So what you're gonna do is that do not turn the washing machine, but turn the water supply on. So I'm just gonna turn this water supply on, and it is turned to wash tub. With your with your hand, just keep it like this. Do this, then what will happen is that the dust will be the dirt will be drained. So now you can see the washing machine is clean like before, and we're gonna keep this down. So yeah, we have completed our wash and also kept the washing machine clean. So I hope my video is helpful to you guys. If you like this video, please comments in the description below and put it a thumbs up, and means yeah, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see such videos from me, just subscribe to my channel. Bye.